Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video let's learn about how to whitelist a mail in AOL. So let's get started. At first let's get into AOL interface. You can get into it through AOL app or the website. Now click on this mail over here. Now you can go to this contacts over here and click on this add icon over here and write the first name and write the email. Now click on save. Now this email address is added as whitelist in your mail. So this is it. This is how you can whitelist a mail in AOL mail. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.